Here we have the MK Storm. This has 104 keys on it, so it's going to be perfect for everything from gaming to typing. This comes with a light up mouse here. It's got a really cool style to it and a long red braided cable on it here that plugs into USB. Here's a look at the bottom of it. And here's our first look at the keyboard itself. Let's get it out of this packaging here. And here's a closer look at it here. This is going to be a light up keyboard. We will plug it in to take a look at the lights at a second here. But you do see all the keys that it gets, including the F1 to F12 functionality and a full new number pad over here as well. And it has a nice clickety clackety sound to it. Listen to this. I like that. And here's a look at the keyboard when it turns on. It lights up nice and bright with the colors moving around, and check it out when it's totally on. And here's the mouse too. It'll gradually change colors. You can see all the cool lights in this one. Looks really cool. And here's a closer look at the keyboard with all the lights on. Super cool.